Good day, everybody. Guess where I'm off to today? Yes, I'm going to the mall. Don't really like going to the mall. And one thing about going to the mall, I don't know what you guys do for parking, but do you spend all your time driving around the front close to the mall trying to find that perfect spot to park? Wasting time. Yeah, I used to do that all the time. And as you can see, there's not a lot of parking that is close to the front. Although today is not too busy, so it's probably not the best example. But when you think about it, it's actually a waste of time and money to just start driving around looking for somewhere that's close and convenient. Because if you've got a vehicle, say, that averages, say, 6 liters per 100 kilometers, just as an example. It's 100 meters each way, so you're looking at probably 6 cents per trip. So 3 trips back and forth, or 2 trips back and forth, that's 12 cents each time you go in and out of the building. So then you multiply that by, say, 3 times a week, because usually you visit stores, whether it's Walmart or Dominion or the Village Mall or whatever, 3 times a week. So that brings you up to 36 cents, I think. Let me see, I don't know if my math is doing right here, but I'm pretty sure it's 36 cents. And then you multiply that by 52, because that's like $1.08 a week. Multiply that by 52 and you're saving close to $60 in gas money by simply parking a little further away. The other great thing about parking a little further away, here, I'll show you. Is if you look around me, there's no cars parked next to me. So therefore, there's less chances of me getting any dings from door cars opening. Not to mention, I can just drive straight in and drive straight out. I don't have to back out of any parking spot. And you know how it is with these parking spots. People tend to like to walk right behind you as you're backing up. So it reduces the chance of accidents as well. Another benefit of parking a little further away is you got 100 meters extra to walk. And that's, you know what, it adds up because it's 100 meters each way. Let's say you burn an average of 100 calories each way. So that's a couple hundred calories right there in one trip. Multiply that by 3 trips a week and 52 trips a year. Then you end up with enough calories burned to kill 6.5 pounds of body fat, because each pound of body fat is 3,500 calories. So you actually get enough to burn 6.5 pounds of fat each year. I mean, people are going out now doing New Year's resolutions and they won't do that. They'll probably quit after the first week. But doing something as simple as parking 100 meters away from the building, that can help you. So there you go. Instead of you're saving dings on the sides of your vehicle and dents, you're saving money by not driving so much. And you're lowering your cholesterol, improving your sugars, and improving your mental health all while you're at it at the same time. Anyway, that's all I had to say today. I just got it in my crazy head to come down here and film this, because I'm feeling a little awkward now walking around with a selfie stick and a camera in the middle of a mall parking lot. But I'm starting to overcome that fear. And it's not as bad once you actually get at it, I guess. Practice makes perfect, right? Anyway, I'm walking back to my vehicle. Just came down to show you this. So anyway, hope you guys are having a good New Year so far, and I'll talk to you later.